In this video, you will learn how to interact with a 3D scene. We are resizing a cube using the mouse. Add ASO Examiner Viewer, a SoCube and ASO Mouse Grabber to your workspace and connect them as seen in the video. The viewer already provides interactions such as rotation and movements via left and middle mouse button. The right mouse button does nothing. Now, open the panel of the module So Mouse Grabber and right-click into the viewer. You can see that the mouse grabber notices the right mouse button by checking the box next to button 3. Configure the So Mouse Grabber module as seen in the video and interact with your viewer via right mouse button and mouse movements. We want to react on a pressed right mouse button and limit the X and Y movements between 1 and 4. You can see that the output of the grabber shows detailed information about the mouse movements. Open the panel of the SoCube module and draw parameter connections from So Mouse Grabber to SoCube as seen in the video. Moving the mouse with pressed right button in the viewer now changes the width and depth of the SoCube. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.